Hello students, I'm Dr. Jasmeet Singh and I would like to welcome you to our summer 2022 course. In this video, I would like to introduce myself and go over the setup of this course. I was born and grew up in India and I received my doctorate degree in biophysical chemistry. During my doctorate degree, I came to USA as an exchange scholar program and I completed my research at Cal State Northridge. After completing my doctorate degree, I joined Columbia University in New York as a postdoc research scholar. I spent a couple of years in New York as a research scholar, and then I came back to join Cal State Northridge at the same position of postdoc research scholar. I spent a few years as a researcher, and during my research time, I voluntarily taught a few chemistry courses, and it turned out that I enjoy teaching. I thought research was my passion, and it still is my passion, but then I later found out that I enjoy teaching more than my research. I have been teaching at Chaffey College since 2018, and I enjoy each and every moment of my life here. Regardless of how you may have done in previous semesters, I believe each new semester brings an opportunity to have a fresh start. Sometimes it may be challenging, especially if you join an online course for the first time. I want you to know that you are not alone. I'm always available to you. So let's talk about how this course will look like. As this is an online course, all the course material will be provided via Canvas. In an online course, it becomes students' responsibility to go over all the material provided by the instructor. It will be your job to finish and submit the assignments on time. I will now provide a brief orientation about the Canvas and will go over the material available to students, and we'll talk about all the resources which are available to Chaffey students. After you log into Canvas course, you will be greeted with this homepage. The most recent announcements will appear on top of this homepage. Right now there is no announcement, but as I post more announcements, the recent ones will appear here. If you would like to see all older announcements, you can click on this announcement tab and then you will be able to see all the announcements. All upcoming assignments will show up on the right hand side here. This is your to-do list also. It will show you the points as well as the submission date and time. You can click directly on these assignments to complete and submit them, or you can go to modules about which I'll talk about in a little while, and then submit assignment through the modules. If you scroll down a bit, you will find my contact information. My preferred method of contact is through email, and you can also contact me via Canvas inbox. All other methods to communicate with me are listed in my communication plan. You can click here to access my communication plan. I will hold regular office hour meetings, and I will encourage all of you to please attend the meetings if you can, and ask questions, and I'll be able to help you out better. The link to join my office hour meeting is here, and it will require a password. The password to join my meeting is chemistry. The first assignment of this course is your contribution to our word cloud. It is a fun activity. I would want you to submit a word, whatever comes to your mind when you think of chemistry. In order to complete that, you need to click here. It will take you to another website, and then type whatever you think. So for example, you can say reaction and then submit. I'm not gonna submit it. And once you submit and go back to our Canvas module, you will see that word would appear here. Okay, so now we are ready to go to module. In order to go to modules, you can either click on this big red button or you can scroll up and click on the module tab. So let's do that. Each week a new module will open and each module is dedicated to a new chapter. We will begin with module 0, which is welcome module, and then after module 0 you'll go to module 1 and then module 2 and so on. So if you notice here, it says complete all items. What it means is that unless you finish all the items listed in module 0, you will not be able to open module 1. How do we complete the items? The conditions are given underneath the item. For example, for this item to be completed, you need to view it. Some of the items have already been completed by me. That's why it shows viewed, because they are already done. If you also notice, you'll see a green check mark. These check marks indicate that these items have been finished or done. So I would like you to complete all the items where it says view. Just open the item, and view does not mean simply open the item and then come back. View, when you open the item, you'll find a useful information. I would like you to read all the information, go through all the tabs. Let's go back. So you will see that I clicked on it and now it is marked done. And some of the items will require you to say mark done. So how do we mark them done? So let me show you. So you open this item. So this is an assignment about your Canvas profile. You need to update your profile with all the recent and correct information. Once you do that, you need to click here and it says mark as done. So once you click, it turns green and now it is done. And if we go back to module 0, a green check mark will appear. So finish all the items, and one of the item I would like you to check thoroughly is syllabus. Syllabus is one of the most important document. It lists all the course policies, course components, all the rules about grading, everything you can find here. So there are two kinds of syllabus available. One is a PDF file which you can download and keep it for your reference. The other one is a web format. You can also access the syllabus in the tab given on the left hand side. If you click here, you will find the similar information. Again, you can download the PDF file here. So let me open the PDF file. So you will find the information about your instructor as well as the class, office hour, the information about the book, the course component. One of the most important part of the syllabus is the course schedule. This will tell you that when any chapter module will open. For example, first chapter module will open January 11th, second chapter module will open January 18th. Also, it will tell you the exam times and quiz times. It will also give you information about when any assignment will open. So please go through all the information given in the module. The lab schedule is also given. For example, first week we have 2 labs. These are not the actual lab, these are quizzes. First one is lab safety video quiz and second one is math and labware video quiz. Once you finish reading the syllabus, the next task is to take the syllabus quiz. It's a 10-point quiz and there are unlimited number of attempts. So that's an easy 10 points. There is a student information survey as well as the office hour survey. So I would like you to finish those surveys as soon as possible. The information about the textbook is given in this tab. Let's open it. We will use Essentials of General Organic and Biochemistry, book by Denise Gwynn, and we will need a access to online homework program called Achieve. So therefore you need to buy a combo of book plus Achieve. You can buy the ebook and Achieve combo. That is also okay. You don't need to buy the hard copy if you don't want to. As long as you have access to ebook and the homework program Achieve, you will be okay. The link to purchase the book is given here. Apart from the book, you will need online lab program subscription. The link to purchase the lab program subscription is also given here. We'll use Labflow to finish all our virtual labs. We will also use online test taking platform called CHEM 101. This program comes free if you buy the Labflow, so there is no separate cost for this program, but you do need to register for this. Once you purchase all the access codes, you need to use those access codes or registration codes to register for Achieve, Labflow, and CHEM 101. The instructions to register for these are provided in separate tabs here. For example, to register for Achieve, you need to click on this section here. It will take you to Achieve website, and on this website you can redeem your access code, which you can purchase from the campus bookstore or the publisher directly. If you do not have a code, Achieve will give you 2-week period of a free access. You can click on this and then continue. After you register, after you complete your registration to Achieve, I would like you to start the orientation assignment first. This assignment will tell you how to use Achieve. After that, you need to finish math assignment and practice assignment. For Labflow, you will again click on this tab. Once you click on this tab, it will take you to Labflow website, and then you need to redeem your access code. The instructions how to register for Labflow are provided here. I have already registered, so it's gonna take me directly to the website where I can log in. So let me show you what Labflow looks like. So in Labflow, each lab will appear something like that. All the information will be given in tabs, and you can scroll from left to right. For example, for lab 1, which is safety video, there are 6 videos which you need to watch. That's video number 1, video 2, video 3, and then you need to scroll right. You'll find video 5 and 6. After you finish all the video, and you will click here, and then that is your lab assignment, and you can click and then continue with your assignment. First assignment is just a quiz, so it's just any other multiple choice quiz, and you will have 3 attempts to score as many points as possible. For first week, we are doing 2 labs. So second lab is also similar to the first one. Again, you will watch videos, scroll to the right all the way, watch all the videos, and then take the quiz. Let's go back to our modules. CHEM 101 is a test-taking platform. Although its access is free, but you still need to sign up. And in order to sign up, the instructions are provided here, and link to CHEM 101 website is given here. You can click on this link. It will take you to CHEM 101 website, and then you need to finish your registration. I have already finished my registration, so it will take me directly to the class homepage. However, when you do it, it will ask you to register. Let's go back to our Canvas course. Every week we will also have a discussion assignment. The instructions to use, how to use the discussion board are provided here. For first week we'll have an icebreaker kind of discussion assignment in which you will introduce yourself, and in this discussion post you will need to make a post before Wednesday. That's part 1, and in that post you will introduce yourself. You'll tell 2 truths about yourself and 1 lie. And then part 2, which is due before Friday, you need to respond to 2 other posts, and you need to guess the lie, and on Friday everyone will reveal the lie. Again, the instructions about how to use the post are provided here. Finally, if you need any help about Canvas or anything else, the resources are provided in this tab, I need help. And one last thing is to complete the module 0 is Padlet post. It's a fun activity. In this post, I want you to click on this plus sign, and it will open a window, and in the window you need to enter the place of your birth, the city of your birth. You can see the place where I was born already marked here, and this map will show the diversity of our class. Once you complete items from module 0, module 1 will open, and in module 1 all the objectives and assignments from chapter number 1 are provided. Module 1 is dedicated to chapter number 1. Other module will open following weeks, and they will have a similar pattern. Each module will have objectives and to-do list, and I will provide lecture PowerPoint and notes, and I will also provide lecture videos. Your first task will be to watch the lecture videos and read the chapter. Once you finish watching the video, then I would like you to finish the discussion assignment. Discussion assignment will open on Monday, and it will have 2 parts. The first part is to make a post. That part will be due by Wednesday, and then in the second part you need to reply to other posts, and that part is due by Friday. There will be worksheets, but worksheets are for practice only. I will not collect or grade them. These are only for practice. Each chapter will have homework. There will be 2 kinds of homework. One will be a regular question solving kind of homework, and the other one will be adaptive quiz. Although it says adaptive quiz, it's not a quiz, it's still a homework. Both of these homeworks will be done on Achieve website. You don't need to go to Achieve separately, you just need to click here. It will take you to Achieve website by itself. Each week we'll have 1 lab assignment. As I mentioned, first week it's the safety quiz assignment and the lab math quiz. So both of these assignments links are provided here. And finally we'll have a quiz. This quiz will open on Friday, and it will be due on Sunday. So this was the orientation about Canvas course and how we will proceed in this semester. One last thing I would like to mention here is that please do not hesitate to ask for help. If you have any question in your mind, please contact me as soon as possible. Online classes are not that easy, especially if you have to work alone. Therefore, I do not want you to feel like you are working alone. I'm here to help you out. Please contact me and I'll make sure that you will get all the help you need. I believe all of you can get an A in this course. The key to success in this course is staying on track. Please read all the material provided to you, watch all the videos, and submit all the assignments on time, and I promise you that you will succeed in this course with high grades. I wish all of you all the best, and hopefully I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.